Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a billing account on a Google Cloud project. Google Cloud's user interface is notoriously terrible, so it's super confusing, but hopefully this will make it easy. So just follow these steps and you'll get set up. You're probably using your Google Cloud project for BigQuery. If you're working with us, that's likely what we're using it for, but this is going to apply to your whole BigQuery, Google Cloud project. So first things, go to your Google Cloud project. If you can't find that, just go to console.cloud.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the correct email address, right? And you should see your project selected up here. If you don't, just click here and select the project. So we'll select this one. All right, cool. And then first we need to create a billing account. So let's do that. We go over here. So click the hamburger menu, you go to billing, and you may not have any billing accounts, but you can click manage billing, create account, and then give it a name. This default one, not super helpful. So give your billing account a name like that. Cool, name it your organization, whatever, right? Something distinguishable. Cool. You set up a payments profile. You may have to set up, your slide rule name and business name and stuff like that, your business information. But the relevant piece here is just to add a payment method. Cool. So you'll add a credit card here and you'll click submit and enable billing. Cool. So what I just did was create the billing account. So that's like adding your credit card. I haven't actually linked it to a project yet. So that's the next step. So what we're going to do is go back over to our cloud dashboard. Again, select the project. Let's select Slide Rule Analytics here. Good. Then go over here, go billing. Cool. You'll see something like this. You may see multiple billing accounts or that it's linked to an external billing account if we set up the project for you, but you're going to click manage billing accounts. Cool. And then you go over to, this is the confusing part, you go over to my projects, right? And you'll see the different projects here. You will only see one. You'll only see the projects you have access to. So what you're going to do is select the project. So we're working on this one. So select this project, change billing, and then select from it the billing account you just created. And you say set account. And there you go. Now you're done. You can see here when you do that, it'll update and show the correct billing account. So again, that's select here, change billing, select your billing account. In this case, Slide Rule Analytics. I'll set it back to the correct one for us and hit set account, and you should be done. Great. Thank you.